champion's journey, the power of collaboration. Once upon a time, in the Enchanté Village, there lived a charming dog named Apollo. Apollo led a happy and peaceful life among other animals in the village. However, one day, a problem struck Enchanté Village. Spring didn't arrive, flowers didn't bloom, trees didn't flourish, and the once fertile lands of the village became dry and barren. The animals gathered to solve this issue. Apollo, with his bravery and determination, emerged as a leader, uniting everyone. Together, they decided to work towards a solution. The birds sang songs to call upon the rains, rabbits labored to soften the soil, and goats diligently planted seeds. The entire village worked in unity and harmony. Days passed, yet the rains didn't come. The animals started worrying. Apollo, with his courage, gathered everyone once more and suggested an idea. Let's support each other, let's pray together, and believe that our efforts will yield results. With hope and unity, the animals prayed together. Suddenly, the sky darkened and rain began pouring down. The soil softened, flowers bloomed, and Enchanté Village came back to life. Apollo and the other animals learned the importance of resilience, hard work, and supporting each other. They realized that by working together, they could overcome any challenge. Their efforts to revive Enchanté Village became their greatest achievement, highlighting the strength of teamwork.